Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here with our drawing of the day. Today we are going to be drawing a walrus, something I have never drawn before. So to start our walrus, I am working with Sharpie on paper, but you guys feel free to work with pencil and eraser first, just to make sure if you make a mistake that you can erase it. So to start our walrus, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the mouth, like the snout. So to do that, I'm gonna do like a curve like this, like an upside down U. And then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do a curve up, or a curve down, and then a curve up, and then a curve down, like this. So it's like down, and then up, and then down again, like this. So this is gonna be kind of like, in here is gonna be the walrus's mouth, and up here is gonna be the nose. So I'm gonna put like a couple little nostrils here, like that. And walruses have these really long fangs. So I'm gonna draw two really long, kind of like fangs coming out of this part of the mouth. And then we're gonna just see a hint at the chin, kind of between those. So there's our walrus's mouth, here's the teeth, here's the nose. So that means that the eyes are gonna go up here. And for walruses and all of my animals, I always like to add my little cutie eyes, so little sparkles, like this, and my little sparkles in my eyes. Super cute. And then and you guys can add like little eyebrows, or if you want eyelashes, you guys can always add like a little extra something to the walrus's eyes. Then I'm gonna be ready for the walrus's head. So the walrus's head is just kind of like round, like that. It's just like a letter U. And then I'm gonna start on the walrus's body. So here, I'm gonna go kind of like down and around and up. And then on this side of the body, I'm gonna do kind of like down and around, and then I'm gonna go kind of like this. So it's like a big swoop and up, and here it's just kind of like a curve down and a little swoop, because we want this to be a really big round body, but we want it to go into a little tail. So the tail here is gonna be just like how I do a fish's tail, like that. And then we're ready for, I don't know if they're flippers or what they are, but the walrus's arms. So the walrus's arms are gonna be kind of like this, and like this. And then I do kind of like, I guess you would call those fingers maybe. And then I'm gonna have him waving at us. Like that. And there you have it, there's our walrus. So to color this walrus, typically I do like any of these kind of like sea animals, I like to do them kind of sea colors. So for him, I think, do I want him purple or blue? Let me think, maybe purple. Maybe I'll do a purple walrus. So I think I'm gonna color him mostly one color. I might make his snout like pink, or maybe just like a version of this color that's a little, like, so yeah, pink I think would be good. So I might do like this part, like a different color, like this. So like his little snout might be pink. But I think the rest of our walrus, I'm gonna go ahead and keep it all one color, but then again, you can shade a little bit. So like when you get into, and here, I'll show you. So I'm gonna color like kind of quickly here, really quick. Like this part. So see how I'm like, I can work pretty fast because I'm doing all one color, like this. I gotta be careful around my teeth though, because I don't wanna get purple on his teeth. I wanna keep those nice and white. Okay, so if I were to finish this whole thing with this light purple. Okay, so I'm not gonna finish all of it because you guys can finish yours at home how you want. So I'm just gonna work kind of quick so you can see what I'm doing. But when you get this all painted like all one color, you can add a little bit of shadow. So sometimes like around this flipper, just to make it stand out a little bit, I will like add a little bit of shadow around it so that it stands out. So now we've got like you can see that this flipper is there. It's not like so hidden. And I might do the same thing like around these teeth, like under the mouth and around these teeth. I might do the same thing where there's just like a little shadow there so it stands out. So I might, color this a little darker than I would like the outsides of the body. So this middle part might be like a little darker. And then here too. So like I might color kind of dark where these two surfaces come together, and then I'll just fade it out to the regular color, like the lighter version. And this is really easy to do with colored pencil. It's a little harder to do with, like if you're working with marker, but you could always use like 2 different colors of marker over the top of each other to make these shadows. So if I were working in marker and I was working with light purple, I might just put a little of a darker purple marker color kind of around this fin to make it stand out a little bit. Oh, and the nose holes, like I'm just gonna make those a dark color. And because I have purple, I'm just gonna go ahead and make them purple. But you guys can make them like black or gray or whatever color that you want. All right, guys, here's our walrus. I hope they turned out beautifully, and I'm so glad you were here to join me in drawing today. I will be posting another video tomorrow at 1 p.m., so I hope you will be back and draw with me again.